Hello and welcome to another quick to the point After Effects tutorial where I share tips from over 10 years working in corporate, broadcast and film. In this one I'll show you how to make text animations feel springy and dynamic using a simple expression, a great way to give your typography more character and energy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to use a letter. Let's use the letter I, nice and simple, and then we'll go into the puppet tool and we're just going to select a few points. And if we hit select our text layer and hit U, and that will show us all the keyframes that we've got active. We've only got 3 on there, as you can see the 3 puppet points. Let's go backwards. And we're going to move this one over here. Maybe there we go, so we're playing that back now. Doesn't look that great. And what we're going to do is we're going to use exactly the same technique as we used in the Inertia Expression tutorial. So Alt and click on the stopwatch, and we're just going to copy and paste in the Inertia Expression, which will be down in the description, and we'll watch that back now. So it's added a little bit of inertia to make that look a bit more natural. Now if we bring those points closer together, it'll look a bit more violent. Okay, so to help sell this more, we are going to pre-comp this layer. Leave all attributes, and then P and Shift R for position and rotation. And what we'll do is we'll hit Y to get up the anchor tool. We're just going to move the layer anchor to the base. So any movements we do are from that point, and it looks a bit more natural. Okay, hit V to get your arrow back and pop a keyframe in there, so this will be the start of the movement, and then track forward to there and put a keyframe for the end of the movement. Now go back to the first keyframes, add a tiny bit of rotation in there, and you can move the position over there. So it looks like it's selling it a bit more. And you could even go as far as putting that off, moving that off screen so it comes in from outside and lands. But to sell that even more, we could use exactly the same technique, add a little bit of inertia. So Alt click the stopwatch, copy paste, and there we go. That's a bit too much now, so what we can do is we can slow the effect down. So if we slow the movement down, the inertia is a lot less. Again, still quite overkill. So if we go into the expression, we can give this a tweak. So if we were to maybe decrease the frequency by half. Maybe even a little bit further. So half again. It's a little bit better, but you get the idea. So again, using the same principles we did in the last tutorial, where we used this expression to add inertia to motion keyframes. And that can be used for a variety of applications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you found this useful. These tutorials are designed to be quick, so when you're up against the deadline, you can drop in, get the answer, and get on.